guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it's pretty early in the morning. It's cloudy, so the lighting is gonna go in and out. It's quiet because the boys went to go get a haircut, so I figured let me take this time to film this quick video. So by the title you can already tell that this is a Amazon baby registry like welcome box. So if this is a video you are not interested in, then please do not watch it, and if you want to watch it, then thank you so much. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. So this is a box you receive from Amazon from just creating your baby registry, just like with Bye Bye Baby, Target, Walmart, you know, all those stores. I think even Burlington does it. You know, if you create a baby registry with them, they give you like a little welcome box or a goodie bag, you know, just to say thank you basically, and offer you a few stuff to try out. So I already took everything out of the box and I laid it right here in front of me so you guys can go ahead and see without me, like, you know, scrambling through the tissue paper or whatever. So the first thing I have in front of me is a Amazing Baby muslin swaddle. So this is what it looks like, and this is cotton. Yeah, cotton material. So I really like it because it is gender neutral, and I think it's so cute with the zebra. So you can use this, you know, as a privacy throw, burp cloth, swaddle, playmat, sun shield, a stroller cover, receiving blanket, whatever you want. And it shows you right here like how to swaddle as well. But I haven't opened it or anything like that because I am gonna wash it. But yeah, that is that right there. I think it's so cute. The next thing I have here is from Moon and Bat. This is organic cotton, 100% organic cotton, so really nice. And this is a onesie. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is 0 to 3 months, and this is a little onesie. Again, everything is just gender neutral. They don't ask you if you're having a boy or a girl. It's just gender neutral, so super cute. And again, 0 to 3 months. It has little elephants on it, and they're like a gray and a taupe color. Super cute. I also received, everyone receives like different things, so not everyone receives each and every exact same item. So what I received is a A&D diaper rash cream, and I've used this before and I like it. So this is 1.5 ounce, perfect to just throw in the diaper bag and keep it pushing. I also got this Aveeno Baby. This is a lotion, fragrance free and paraben free. I never tried Aveeno baby products, so this is a good, you know, sample size to try out and see what it's about. You also receive, like, you know, some paper here. I got this little sample size of the Aquaphor healing ointment. So, you know, you can use this for anything basically. Dry, chapped skin, diaper rash. And it's hypoallergenic, fragrance free, paraben free, and dye free. And you also get a $2 off coupon if you receive this. I also got this Stage 1 Dreft laundry detergent. I used this with Jacob and I plan to use this again. I just know I like the scent of it. It's like a baby powder scent. Very delicate, and I don't know, I just really like it. So this is one wash right here, so really nice. And then they have like the newborn, the active baby, and the scent boosters, as you can see right there. So I really appreciate this. The next thing I got, which I think everybody kind of receives, is the breastfeeding guide. So you get like a little book with just some information on breastfeeding if that's something you choose to do. And you do get 2 disposable breast pads in here, which is convenient as well. I also got a Philip Advent 4 ounce natural baby bottle. I never used this bottle, this brand of bottle, so again, I'm appreciative that I get to try this bottle out and see if I like it or not. And then last but not least, in this little box right here, I received these Pampers. So this is size 1 of 7th generation. They're so cute. They have like little designs on them. Again, gender neutral. So it's free and clear diapers for your baby's sensitive skin. So I think there's like maybe like 5 or maybe like 4 in here. I don't know. They look really squished together. I think there's like 4 in here, but again, a really good amount just to try out. There's also a coupon in here. You save 20% off if you want to shop on Amazon for like their detergent, their diapers, their wipes, whatever you may choose to do. And then I also received the free and clear 7th generation wipes, fragrance free, alcohol free, parabens, all that stuff. So a nice little box, packet of wipes, great to just, you know, throw in your diaper bag really quick. So grateful for that. So that's pretty much everything I received in my box. Some people like in the comments on Amazon were complaining that they didn't receive like enough stuff, blah blah blah. But you know, people are greedy and they just don't appreciate free stuff. So all you have to do is just create a baby registry and boom, you get a free box. Like, but yeah, I'm very grateful for everything I received. Can't wait to try the 7th generation Pampers and wipes out and use the swaddle. I just love baby stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, you know, I apologized in my last video. I just want to say I'm sorry for being MIA so long and you know, all that stuff, but it's just been super hard. I'm so out of breath. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just been so hard. So thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for everyone checking up on me, and I'm back, so get used to me. Now let me stop. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Besos and abrazos. Bye.